best way to maintain a good vibe in the neighborhood is to gently remind people that the neighborhood watch is always watching.
That's not reassuring. That's creepy. And I, for one, don't want the world to know what doorbell to ring when they break a hangnail.
This neighborhood's like a postcard.
Yeah, our own little slice of paradise.
There's a new case.
You mean with a neighborhood watch?
Graffiti at the Johnsons. There was a crime in the neighborhood last night. We are absolutely distraught at the thought of crime returning to hometown.
Let's just find some evidence. Anything that would help us figure out who spray painted a neighborhood watch on my house.
Officer Lucas, it's Joe. What's that smile for?
So I may have a confession.
Is it not a little concerning about what might eventually happen if we just keep playing along?
Depends on who's pulling the strings.
There must be a reason this anonymous person is committing a crime and then pointing the finger at us.
Maybe someone is just trying to get your attention.
Breaking news. People want to know who their protectors are.
I'll have your back.
Well, first time for everything.
We're the unlikely crew trying to solve the mystery of who painted the house. We're gonna be in the headlines.
Because when we look out for each other, we create a better place to call home. Cheers to community, cheers to safety, and cheers to you, our fantastic neighbors.